Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight, and I am Ankita Agnihotri. And market, like somewhere, this is the second half of the market. So I have done a buy on dip in the morning only. But right now, my view is again on buy on dip only. So where it's going to took support or making a price action where it's making ready to go on the upside. So Nifty is somewhere on the bullish price action is there, and bank nifty somewhere it's lagging, so I will be going long once it's give a closing of 15-minute time frame at this 530 level, 22 530. So I will be going long, and my initial target would be 22, like the day high 590 600 level, and then it would be go around like 170 point like freely, which is 22 770 or 800 level I will be looking for at 3 p.m. And in the bank nifty has a good support at 48,000 level, so it has retested it in the morning only, so I have taken a buy at here, and right now I have booked my like buy targets, and I will be waiting. I have told you for the second half where it's going to took support. So once it's gave a closing on 20 moving average, which is 48 143, or you can take 148 level, so you can go long at this particular level, and it will be going bullish, more on the bullish direction, and the higher targets are risk to reward is very much high. So firstly it will be going to touch 48 390, like 48 400 level, then 48 500 level, or 48 800 would be my like upcoming target. Maybe it will be going to touch by tomorrow by the gap up. So it will be like risk to reward is very much favorable and trend is bullish, so I will be ready to take it as a buy on dip. So right now 48 100 level is acting as a support, so maybe when it's going to support, like it is retesting it. So once it's gave a closing on 20 moving average, then only I will be going long. Otherwise it will be going to touch like 48 this 50 level. I will be just giving you the label. Yeah, 48 this 28 level, so maybe it will be going again for the upside rally, like it has given a rally in the morning from this particular 4818 level. So maybe this time it will be going to give a rally from this particular point, which is 4830 level. So once it's gave a closing and giving a 15-minute time frame sustenance, then you can go long at 4830 level as well, or if it is going to sustain 48 150, so you can go long over there as well. So risk to reward is again buy on dip is favorable at this condition, and we will be going and looking for a buy side trade. So I will be in like it will be going to fall. I will be going to skip this trade on the sale side. I will be waiting for my like setup if it is going to activate it, and both the scenarios, which is 4830 level or 48 150 level, I will be going long, and making longs makes you profitable, and this trend is bullish. So wherever it's give you a dip, we will be ready to take it as a buy on dip. And like how much it will be going to give a dip, because it has given a open as a gap down, and then it is sustaining above 48,000, so there is no point to go on the sale side. If you are having a concern, so you can go ahead, but my price action, my trade is again on the buy on dip and going on the bullish side, and like risk to reward is very much high on the buy side. So this is the reason I will be going to play again buy on dip. And nifty I'm already in a buy side, so I will be like taking, I have given you the level, and nifty had took support from here, so one can go long at here 22 530, or if you are already in a long side, so you can add on your positions at this is the perfect level where you can initiate a buy. I will be waiting if it is going to give a dip sort of this level 22. Yeah, 22 470 level. If it is going to give a dip at 22 470, so you can go long there also. If you are like not confident at here, so you just wait. If it is going to sustain at 15-minute time frame at 22 530, so you can already make long. And if you are want to make a buy on dip setup, so just wait for this level 22,470. If it is going to come after like 230 or somewhere, we will be going long again. Otherwise, we were already in a buy side, so my view is again buy on dip, and 22 770 or 800 level will be going to triggered by today itself, I think so. And because market has consolidated so much on the like resistance, which is again a bullish price action, so making longs makes me profitable this day. And scenario is price action is everything is bullish, and all are taking support, the components as well. If I talk about like Reliance, so Reliance is making a like bullish price action, um, and there are certain infis also again on above the 20 moving average. TCS is also again above the 20 moving average, like it is below, so maybe it will going to catch up this rally from here, and it will be gonna like make a breakout at here, this above the 20 moving average. And what else? Yeah, IDFC is ready to give a breakout, SBI is ready to give a breakout, Axis is ready to give a breakout, ICICI is below the 20 moving average, SDFC is lagging, Kotak Bank is above that. So maybe this rally will be going to uplift Bank Nifty by Kotak and SBI Bank. So just keep an eye on this two particular bank. It is having a capacity to make a new high in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, because SDFs like Kotak Bank is and Reliance is both are like on the upside. So I am not going to short any like indices. I will be going buy on dip only. So do like, share, subscribe my channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any sort of query regarding indices and stocks, so I can suggest you, mentor you better way. And if you are waiting for this election rally, so my view is like volatility VIX is very high, so keep your quantities, your capital is very low nowadays, and make it possible to complete your trade in the intraday only. Don't take it for like carry forward and BTST trade in like today's and right now scenario, because today tomorrow we have Bank Nifty's expiry, so maybe the theta decay will be there. So again, if it is going on the upside, so the put like people who have taken a put on the sale side and the call writers, so they may be going to trap very badly, I think so, because short covering will be going to trigger above this 48,200 once it's going to give a breakout now. So all shorts going to covered by the like ending of this session. So this is my like view on the upside only. So this is Ankita Agnihotri signing off, guys. Have a profitable day. Love you all. Bye bye.